What's up mga Bisaya?
Iyan guys, luto na after 2 hours. Tara, mga una ta. What's up mga Bisaya? Mayong buntag sa inyong kanan. It's a Sunday morning, beautiful Sunday morning. It's August the 30th, holiday tomorrow, walang pasok. And today wala muna tayong Sunday gardening. We're waiting for our lettuce and pechay to grow. 1 week na silang nakababad sa tubig. We will
One day.
we will give you the progress update ng pechay at lettuce natin next week. Kasi gagawa tayo ng greenhouse next week yan. Pero today, since hindi tayo magsa-Sunday gardening, anong gagawin natin?
Cook.
We will cook.
What are we going to cook today, Daddy?
Today, we will cook. Tada! Pata. And ang style na gagawin natin is boneless lechon pata. No? What we're going to do is we will going to remove the bones. Yung dito hanggang dito lang. Yung buto from here going here, tatanggalin natin para laman na lang yung matira, and then we will put the spices here sa meat para magkalasa yung naman. Masarap to. You like this? You will help me cook this? Alright, so let's get to it and enjoy guys! So ang una natin gagawin guys is we will remove the bone of the pata. Kailangan ng medyo matulis na kutsilyo dito para ma-achieve mo to. At syempre ingat lang kasi delikado. So i-debone natin yung pata up to the ito sa parang tuhod niya. Shout out nga pala kay Kalina Brothers, no? Entry natin to sa LECHON Noir. Ginaya lang natin yung style niya ng pagluluto nito. Nakaka-enjoy yung channel nila. Panoorin nyo guys, Kalina Brothers. You wanna be a doctor? Why? You're afraid of blood?
Yes.
Joint, joint.
Joint.
What connects two bones together?
And it moves.
Almost done.
Takes time.
Takes time. Takes a lot of patience.
I hate waiting. Hindi ko nag-gulo.
You know, maybe there are a couple of things that are worthy of waiting. When you wait, something's better is going to come. That's why sometimes you don't rush into deciding things. Sometimes you have to think twice so that you'll be able to weigh the options that you have and choose the best one, so that in the end, regardless of what the result is, there will be no regrets. Do you get me? Hey, we're almost done guys. See? Patience. Patience is a virtue.
Gross.
Okay.
Gross.
We will cook this and we will give it to
The dogs.
the dogs. Kids, what you're gonna do next is manguha kayo ng spices, okay? Get me some kalabo, onions, garlic, and
Chili.
pepper.
Chili. Dad, is this kalabo?
Muna. Kalabo, dili kalabo.
What is that? Mukhaon din si Kuya ni Dad.
Alright, so guys, we're ready to do our lechon. Kumuha tayo ng dapat bamboo or kaya bakal kasi wala tayong available. So ang ginawa natin is kahoy ng dahon ng nyog.
Dahon ng lubi.
Dahon ng lubi. Dahon ng lubi. Insert into the hole. Very good. So ingredients. Lalagay tayo ng
Can I help?
Sige. Tanglad. Okay, next. Maglalagay tayo ng onions. Red onions. Oh, then what else do we have? We have kalabo. Oregano. Oregano leaves. Masarap to, mabango. And we have garlic. Salt.
Cover the skin.
Pepper. Pepper. Okay. Then we're ready to wrap this guy. Itali lang natin siya mabuti guys para yung sa gitna is ma-concentrate and magkalasa yung gitna. Ayan guys, ready na tayong i-lechon ito. So we have prepared our lechonan already. So uling sa bagol ang itong gigamit guys. Bagol ng niyog. Tagalog ka ng bagol, nasa bagol.
Ay, palasa!
And the kids volunteered, sila daw ang magluluto. So let's see. Maglaro lang kami ng bahay-bahayan. The kids, you like what we're doing? Feels like we're camping.
Pero kaming doon ngayon mo.
After 1 hour guys, ito na ang itsura ng ating lechon boneless pata. Nilalagyan natin ng kalabo leaves. Pag nasunog yan, yung smoke niya mabango, and gusto nating ma-achieve is yun sa balat ng pata may magkaroon ng smoky flavor from the oregano. Ayan guys, luto na after 2 hours. Tara, mga na ta.
Chicken. Wak ko yun nun. Peter niya. Peter ni. Dito. Amigo na ko niya. Peter.
Is it good? Was it good? Was it good?
So much. Ay, butaw yan sa YouTube.
Guys, naubos na namin lahat. Later ko na na-notice, wala pala yung audio, yung kainan session namin. So, pasensya na. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to our channel, Lutong Bisaya. Enjoy your Sunday, everyone. Keep safe. Bye for now. Bye-bye, Ate Kai.
Bye guys.
Bye.